This film, vaguely produced more than a year ago, takes place at the foot of the Andes mountain range near the city of Mendoza, Argentina. Mendoza, known as the land of the sun and the good wine, has a generally semi-arid climate. This implies the existence of very dry summers and more humid winters. The presence of snow at these heights of the Piedmont is very unusual. The idea of this video is to present you guys an introduction to this channel, Land of Hobbies, transmitting a lifestyle, a thought, and a tool for human happiness. In a society where we spend money we don't have, to buy things we don't need with the intention of impressing people we don't even know, a society that has been responsible for improving the quality of human life to the point of completing all our needs quickly and efficiently. All of this to have more time that we generally invest in work, although we say it's not enough. So we work 8 hours to live 4. We work 5 days to enjoy 2. We work a whole year to go on a few weeks vacation. We work our entire life to retire being old, and only there contemplate our last breaths. Peeled up in apartments and private neighborhoods, changing our natural habitat for streets, floors, and hard walls, thinking that with plants on the balcony or garden, our spirit can live as it naturally wants to. Henry David Thoreau used to say, "We live underwater with oxygen tanks surrounding our heads." Everyone chooses their own lifestyle. Each one chooses his profession, and each one knows where it is that you can breathe better. If you liked the video, subscribe to this channel and new ideas and better films are gonna come up. See you soon.